Hello everyone, welcome you all. In today's section, we are going to study about aromatic compounds. In that, introduction, classification, structure of aromatic compounds, physical properties, reactivity of aromatic compounds, and nomenclature of aromatic compounds. Let's first see what is aromatic compound. The term aromatic compound was first used by Kekulé in 1865 to classify benzene and its derivative. The word aromatic includes aroma means fragrance. The term aromatic compound stands for whole series of compounds which contain one or more benzene ring in their molecules. The aromatic compounds are the large class of molecules that includes a planar ring of atom attached with alternating double and single bond. The alternating double bonds allows the atom in the ring to share the electrons in a process called resonance. Aromatic compounds are used to make plastics, synthetic fabrics like nylon, packaging materials like styrene, and explosive. They are also used in the manufacturing process. The next point is the classification of aromatic compounds. The aromatic compounds are classified into two types: monocyclic aromatic compounds and polycyclic aromatic compounds. The polycyclic aromatic compounds are divided into two types: isolated compound and fused ring compound. The fused ring compounds are again divided into two types: linear and angular compounds. In monocyclic aromatic compounds which contain only one benzene ring, for example, the benzene ring with CH3 group is attached, it is toluene, and the benzene ring with OH group is attached, it is phenol. The toluene and phenols are the example of monocyclic aromatic compounds. Then next one is the polycyclic aromatic compounds. The polycyclic aromatic compounds which contain two or more ring, and they are divided into isolated and fused. In isolated aromatic compounds in which the aromatic ring is joined by the carbon-carbon single bond, no any carbon-carbon bond is common in this structure. The example for isolated compound is the biphenyl. The next one is the fused ring compound. In fused ring, at least one carbon-carbon bond is common in two aromatic ring. They are again divided into linear and angular compounds. The example for linear compounds is the naphthalene and anthracene, and for angular compounds is the phenanthrene. The next point is the structure of aromatic compounds. The aromatic compounds are the cyclic structure in which each ring atom is participant in bond and resulting in delocalized electron. The most commonly known aromatic compounds is the benzene, a 6 carbon ring with 3 double bonds, and it shows the resonance. And the structure which shows how its pi electrons are delocalized throughout its 6 carbon ring. Benzene has cyclic, planar, and hexagonal structure. The all carbon atoms in benzene are sp2 hybridized. All hydrogens in benzene are equivalent. If a hydrogen is substituted by another atom or group, it does not matter which hydrogen is replaced, only one product is formed. And remember that in benzene, mono substitution leads to the single product and di substitution leads the three isomers. And typical reactions of benzene are the substitution reaction. The benzene resists the addition reaction but prefer the substitution reaction. The uses of benzene. Benzene is used in various industrial processes such as in the manufacturing of lubricants, plastics, rubbers, dyes, synthetic fibers, etc. Benzene is used in the preparation of phenol, and it is also used to prepare aniline used in dyes. The benzene was used in degreasing of metal. It is used in the manufacturing of other chemicals such as ethyl benzene, cyclohexane, cumene, nitrobenzene, alkyl benzene, etc. The next point is the reactivity of aromatic compounds. The double bonds in aromatic compounds are less likely to participate in addition reaction than those found in typical alkenes. cyclic aromatic compounds undergo electrophilic substitution reaction, the reaction in which the ring acts as nucleophile to a suitable electrophile. When benzene participates in such substitution reaction, the product retains the stability associated with the aromatic electron system. This stability is lost in electrophilic additions reaction because the product is not aromatic. The next point is the physical properties of aromatic compounds. Aromatic compounds are generally non-polar and immiscible with water. They are useful as a solvent for other non-polar compounds. Due to their high ratio of carbon to hydrogen, aromatic compounds are characterized by the sooty yellow flame. Then next point is the nomenclature of aromatic compounds. Benzene is represented by regular hexagon with a circle inscribed in it. The mono substitution derivative of benzene are those in which the hydrogen of the ring is replaced by the another substituents. These are named by prefixing the name of substituents to the word benzene. For example, benzene in which one of the hydrogen is replaced by the bromine and it is named as the bromobenzene. Let's see the structure of bromobenzene. And other monosubstituted benzene that name in the same manner. For example, chlorobenzene, iodobenzene, nitrobenzene, ethylbenzene, methoxybenzene and tertiary butyl benzene. Then some benzene derivatives have the common name which are currently accepted. For example, toluene, the CH3 group is attached to the benzene ring. It is methylbenzene. Phenol, in which benzene ring with OH group is attached and it is also known as hydroxybenzene, and the NH2 group is attached to the benzene ring. It is the aniline, that is aminobenzene. The next example is the benzoic acid and the benzene sulfonic acid. Sometimes it is more convenient to the name of benzene ring substituents to the phenyl group. Let's see the presentation for phenyl group C6H5 or PH, and the example is 2-phenyl ethanol. Another common aromatic substituents, the benzyl group, which is abbreviated as C6H5CH2 or PHCH2. Let's see the presentation for benzyl group PHCH2 C6H5CH2, and the example is benzyl chloride, diphenyl ether and dibenzyl ether. Then next one is the naming of di-substituted benzene. When there are two substituents on the ring, the three positional isomers are possible. Their relative positions are indicated by prefixes ortho, meta and para or by the numbers. Let's see the naming of di-substituted benzene, in which 1,2 di-substituted benzene, 1,3 di-substituted benzene and 1,4 di-substituted benzene. Examples in 1,2 di-substituted benzene is the ortho isomer. Give the numbering from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and it is the ortho dibromobenzene. The 1,3 di-substituted benzene, it is the meta isomer and it is 1,3 dibromobenzene, and 1,4 di-substituted benzene is the para isomer, it is para dibromobenzene and 1,4 dibromobenzene. Then if two groups on the benzene ring are different, then alphabetize the name of substituents preceding the word benzene. If one of the substituent is the part of common root, the name of the molecules as the derivative of that the monosubstituted benzene. Let's see here the alphabetize the two different substituents name, and if the two groups on the benzene ring are the different. Let's see here the benzene ring and the two groups are different, and the name of this ring is 1-bromo, 2-chloro-benzene, and next example is 1-fluoro, 3-nitrobenzene. 1-bromo, 2-chloro-benzene, it is the ortho-bromo-chlorobenzene, and 1,1,fluoro,3-nitrobenzene is the metafluoronitrobenzene. Then use a common root name in that the para-bromotoluene, it is also known as 4-bromotoluene, and orthonitrophenol, it is 2-nitrophenol. There are also common names that are accepted for di-substituted benzene compounds. Let's see the examples: orthoxylene, methaxylene, paraxylene, orthotoluidine, and paracresol. Then naming of polysubstituted benzene. When 3 or more substituents are placed on the benzene ring, the numbers must be used to designate their positions. The numbering is done clockwise or anti-clockwise, whichever gives the lowest possible group number and other substituents. For example, let's see here the example 1,2,4 trichlorobenzene, and the numbering is given from 1, 2, 3, 4, and the chloro group is present at first, second, and the fourth position, and it is the numbering is given by the clockwise. This one is the correct method. If we give the numbering for 1,4,6 trichlorobenzene, first, second, third, fourth, 5, 6, and this one is the wrong method. This one is the correct 1, 2, 4 trichlorobenzene. The three possible isomeric trichlorobenzenes bears the following IUPAC name. Let's see here the 1, 2, 3 trichlorobenzene, 1, 2, 4 trichlorobenzene, and next example is 1, 3, 5 trichlorobenzene. Then if one of the group is present gives rise to a compound with the special name, then only the remaining positions of substitutions are mentioned. Let's see here the example is 2,4-trinitrotoluene. The nitro group is present at 2, 4th and 6th position. It is the 2,4,6 trinitrotoluene. And next example is 2,4,6 tribromophenol. The bromo group is present at 2, 4th and 6th position. It is the 2,4,6 tribromophenol. The naming of polysubstituted benzene in that when 3 or more substituents on the ring are different, the order of numbering is done in alphabetic order. Let's see here the example is 2-bromo,4-nitrotoluene, and the numbering is given from this methyl group 1, 2, 3, 4. It is the bromo group is present at 2nd position and nitro is present at the 4th position, and the name is 2-bromo,4-nitrotoluene. And the next example is 1-bromo, 2-chloro, 4-iodobenzene. Let's see here the numbering is given from this position 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 1-bromo, 2-chloro, and 4-iodobenzene. Then naming of polysubstituted benzene in which the 2-bromo, 2,4-dibromo-nitrobenzene. The bromo group is present at 2nd and 4th position. It is the 2,4-dibromo-nitrobenzene. The next example is 2-bromo-5-nitrotoluene. The numbering is given from the methyl group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the nitro group is present at the 5th position and the bromo group is present at the 2nd position. It is the 2-bromo-5-nitrotoluene. The next example is the 1, 2, 3, 4 tetrabromobenzene. Let's see here the numbering is given from this position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it is the 1, 2, 3, 4 tetrabromobenzene. Then next example is 3,4-dimethyl aniline. The next one is the 2-methyl-4-phenyl phenol. Then special name for benzene containing compounds. When two phenyl rings are attached, the resulting molecules are called biphenyl. Let's see here the structure of biphenyl. Then aromatic compounds can be named as derivative of alkane. In that example is 1-chloro, 1-phenyl ethane and chloro-diphenyl methane. Then the special name for benzene containing compound. The aromatic compounds containing double or triple bond in an attached side chain are also given the common name. For example, phenyl ethane, it is also known as styrene or vinyl benzene. Then next example is trans 1,2-diphenyl ethane, in that trans stilbene. Then next one is the 2-phenyl propane. Then next one is the allyl benzene, it is 3-phenyl propene. Next one is the phenyl ethyne. Then next is the fused polycyclic arenes. There are numerous polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons having one or more benzene ring fused together in ortho position, and the example for fused polycyclic arenes are the naphthalene, anthracene and phenanthrene. So we are in this section, we studied about introduction of aromatic compounds, reactivity of aromatic compounds, classification of aromatic compounds and nomenclature of aromatic compounds. Thank you so much for watching this video.